Hi everyone, excuse the lack of makeup, but that's part of the video. Today I'm going to be trying this foundation here, which is perfect for people in my age, just turned 40, scary enough, and it promises to blur. Let's have a look. The Blurring Smoothing Effect Foundation with a velvet matte finish. Let's see how we get on. Always apply mine with a brush. I just prefer it. I find if you use your fingers, you're just going to lose so much of the product on your fingers. And at this price, which I think it was £37, again, I bought this from Feel Unique because I really love the delivery time. I think I ordered it about 1 o'clock or something, and it's during lockdown, so you would have thought maybe it might have taken a while to come. I did pay for next day delivery, but it did say it wasn't guaranteed, and it arrived the next day with Yodel. Super service, and you can trust that the products are genuine. I can see a massive difference already. I have a bit of pigmentation on my face, a mixture of freckles and just general blotchiness, I think. I haven't used a primer at all, I've just used this for the foundation to show the effect. But I think it's taken a couple of years off me. I've lost my lips, but what do you think? I think it's definitely blurred my age. I'll do it with some makeup and see where we go. Okay, so I'm just going to do like a real quick school run makeup jobby after the foundation. Pop a little bit of concealer. Had a little spot there, I should be covering that up. This is the NYX Studio Photogenic Concealer. Love it, it's fantastic. A little bit of powder. Still using Max Factor Cream Puff. It's probably been going around for about, well, a long time. Okay, a little bit of blusher. Bit of bronzer. Sorry, the blusher was a MAC blusher. And the bronzer is a real super affordable matte bronzer from W7. They do real good dupes of some of the really expensive products, and sometimes they're just as good as the real thing. Hair's gone a bit bonkers, lockdown hair, crazy roots. Right, I shall do like a real basic eyeshadow, like I said, as if I was just going on the school run. I'll just do it super quick. So I'll actually just pop a bit of concealer, or you can use an eyeshadow base. Just hold your eyeshadow a bit longer. Okay, eyeshadow. Using this here, W7 Socialite. Again, they're real like super cheap eyeshadows. I'm only going for, like I said, just a real quick school run, trying to look like you've got no makeup on, but if everyone saw the no makeup view, they'd really understand that you were wearing it. So I've just used the nude shades. I've used Pearl Clutch right in the corner, then I've gone for the pinker RSVP, finishing off with the Worldly just in the corner. Blended. I might do a video without talking because people probably don't want to hear my squeaky voice. Anyway, let me know what you prefer in the comments. Right, a bit of mascara. I have hardly any bottom lashes, honestly, they are a joke, and sometimes I hardly put anything on them and just let the top lashes coat the bottom ones, because whenever I try it goes everywhere. If I'm on a real quick look, obviously if I was doing a real super glam I'd go for every single one and coat them slowly, but if this was a school run you'd have literally 10 minutes whilst yelling for everyone to get a move on while you're the last one ready and making it look like you were ready all along. Right, eyes. Quick blast over my disappearing eyebrows. Wait, sharpen this pencil. And a little bit of highlighter. And just a nude lip. I'm actually quite shocked that I've not been disturbed by my lovely boys to come and burst in and tell mummy that they've defeated the Moon Lord in Terraria. Okay, there we go, finished look. I'm pretty liking the Chanel foundation. I think it's de-aged me. What do you reckon? Leave your comments down below and subscribe if you would like to. That would be really super. Thanks for watching.